Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 10, Presenting Data with Charts. Students, 1. Excel 2016 includes 6 new chart types: Treemap, Sunburst, Waterfall, Histogram, Pareto, and Box and Whiskers. Charts means what? Student, charts are pictorial representation of your data. A chart provides the clarity and visual impact that makes your data come alive in a way that different concepts and comparisons become immediately understandable. Okay? Excel provides various types of charts. First one, column chart. Now student, these are similar to bar charts in that the length of each column corresponds with the value of the data it represents. They are well suited for comparing several sets of data over the time. For example, you might use a column chart to show sales of both red t-shirts and blue t-shirts by month over the past year. Each month identified on the horizontal axis would incorporate two columns, one of the red t-shirts and other for the blue. Histogram chart. A histogram chart is used to show the frequency distribution of your data. Simple example of histogram is the distribution of marks scored in a subject. You can easily create a histogram and see how many students scored less than 35 and how many were between 35-50 and how many between 50-60 and so on. Pie chart. A pie chart is used to plot the data for a single data series. Each data point is represented by one slice of the circular pie chart. Now students, a pie chart is one of the ways to display how various parts make up a whole or 100%. Each data point is represented by a slice of the pie. The slice size correlated to the percentage of the whole it comprises. Say a bakery uses a pie chart to show the breakdown of muffins by flavor, like blueberry 50%, almond poppy seed 25%, and banana nut 25%. Students, in the chart, the slice for blueberry would be half the pie, while the slice for almond poppy seeds and banana nut would each be 1/4. Waterfall chart. A waterfall chart is the form of data visualization that helps in understanding the total effect of sequentially introduced positive or negative values. It helps us to show our running totals as values are added or subtracted. Bar chart. A bar chart illustrates comparison among the individual items. A bar chart is a graph that shows horizontal bars with the axis values for the bars displayed on the bottom of the graph. It is a graphical object used to represent the data in your Excel spreadsheet. You can use a bar chart when you want to compare value across categories. Treemap chart. Treemap chart provides a hierarchical view of your data and makes it easy to spot patterns, such as Which items are a store's best sellers? The tree branches are represented by rectangles and each sub-branch is shown as a smaller rectangle. Pareto chart. Pareto chart then groups the same categories and sums the corresponding numbers. If you select two columns of numbers rather than one of numbers and one of corresponding text categories, Excel will chart your data in bins just like a histogram. Now student, such charts are good at showing the most common values, profitable products, etc. Students, a Pareto chart contains columns sorted in descending order together with a line displaying the cumulative total. Box and Whisker Chart. Box and Whisker chart are used for showing statistical analysis. Now, what is statistical analysis? It's the science of collecting, exploring, and presenting large amounts of data to discover underlying patterns and trends. Statistics are applied every day in research, industry, and government to become more scientific about decisions that need to be made. Sunburst chart. Unlike a pie chart, this can contain more than one data series. Each part of the ring in the chart represents one data series. Thank you.